Okay, this is a robot that the Robotics Club made. Well, most of the robot, a lot of the parts have been taken off, the motors and things like that, so you can see a little better what's going on here. One of the things they have to do with this robot is pick up these blocks when they're in competition. And they decided the robot that they were going to make, they were just going to put a fork on the end of it that would scoop up the block, and then they could lift it up in the air. Well, they also had to place that block in other parts of the arena that they're competing on. So to make that easier, they didn't want to just tip this block. When the fork went up, they didn't want the block to tip backwards. They didn't want it to tip forward. They wanted to keep it parallel to the ground so that it would be easier to get the block off of the fork when they got it to where they were going. So what we did is they designed this arm here so that it would be a parallelogram. Here's my son Ryan. He's going to help us demonstrate this. So if you see as that arm goes out, this fork, it's going to stay parallel. I put a little piece of tape up here to show you see it a little better that this is parallel to that fork. And the reason this is going to remain a parallelogram and all these things are going to stay parallel like they're supposed to is because of the property that we learned about parallelograms, where the opposite sides, both pairs of opposite sides, are congruent. So these pink spots here, that's where the arm is attached to this plate and this plate. And those distances are fixed. That's not going to change. That's not going to change. And then the distance between this point and this point and this point and this point are congruent. We made those arms the same length. So they're not going to change either. So even as this thing moves around, the distances are going to stay the same. The lengths of those sides stay the same. So that's why this stays parallel to that. And then when he tries to scoop up the block with the fork, it stays nice and level, stays parallel to the ground. So that was how they were able to get the robot to do what they wanted it to do, using some parallelograms.